Good morning everyone. Standard 3 Environment. Chapter number 17 Journey of a Letter. So see here this one picture of the letter. So here what say? I am a letter. I am written with a pen and paper by Samit to her friend Salman. I was put in letter box. The post took me out and put me in a big bag. Taking in ride on the postman bicycle, I reached the post office. There I was taken out of the big bag and stamped hard. The stamp was out of Vadodara from when my travel began. After going stamp, I reached another big bag. And this had many more letters, all heading for Ahmedabad. The red postal van dropped me at the railway station. There I got into a train going to Ahmedabad. After the journey of one day I reached Ahmedabad. I was told as per area mentioned in the address written on me. Once more stamp was put on me. Finally the postman dropped me at the Salman's house. So now page number 118. What Rina and Radha are talking to each other about the letter. Do you know, today we learn about the journey of a letter in the class. I want to write a letter to Nani. You can write a letter. I am going to make a phone call. If you want, you also come along. So now Rina and Radha talk to you that Rina and Radha went to out make a phone call from a shop in the village. Radha dialed the phone number and both of them talked to Nani. They gave money to the shopkeeper and returned home happily. So now we are going to start workbook. Question number 70, Journey of a Letter. Question number 1, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write the index letter in the provided again each question. What type of institute in the post office? That means public institute. Where is the letter first put after it is written? Then answer C, in a post box. What is the color of the post box of the local letters? That means A, red. What is done to the letter once it reached the post office? Answer B, it is the stamp. 5. Which means the communicated at the present for the give and take of the news? That means C, telephones. 6. Which mode of communications is such that it is seen constantly with a person? That means cell phone. D answer. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks. So 1. A dash come to deliver letter to our house. The postman. A person who manages the post office is known as the dash postmaster. After writing everything in a letter, if the dash is not written, then the letter does not reach the destination. That means address. In the present age, and dash is used to send the written message instantly email. The important tool used for the give and take of a message is the present age of is that cell phone. A dash is done to send money from one place to another money order. Question number 3. Put a right mark in the front of statement that are true and wrong, the front of whose statement are false. The 1. A post office does the work of delivery our letter from one place to another place. Right. To save small amounts in a saving account, a money order from must be filed. Wrong. A postman work as a service provide professional in our village. Right. We can buy a telephone or a cell phone from a post office. Wrong. All the letters that reach a post office are collected and put in a postal van to be taken from one place to another place. Right. The cell phone is a handy tool of the news media. Now right. Question number 4. Match the following. The post office, that means government public institution. Telephone, that means for chatting. Money order, that means sending money from one place to another place. And postcard means medium from sending written message. Now question number 5. What say? That answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. First, what things you buy from post office? So we can buy material from writing letters such as postcard, letter, money order, forms, etc. all. Question number 2. Can we send message abroad by writing a postcard? No, we cannot send message abroad by writing a postcard. 3. With whom do you talk to on the telephone or a mobile? We talk with our friends and relatives on the telephone or mobile. Question number 4. Which facility are there in a post office for saving money? The facility like National Saving Certificate, Requiring Account, Saving Account are available at post office for saving money. Question number 5. Which detail, if left out in a letter written by us, the letter will be not reach the destination? If we leave out the receiver address in a letter written by us, the letter will not reach its destination. 6. When does the receiver of a letter have to pay a fine? The receiver of a letter has to pay for fine when the sender forget to affix a proper stamp to the letter. Now, question number 6. Answer the following question briefly. Samira's letter reached Vadodara by train. How do you think letter reached distant place when there were no trains? So, when there were no trains, pigeons were used to deliver letter to distant place. In some place, letters were delivered by people on the horseback. Such special men were called messengers. Question number 2. What do you see in the post office? So, 1. On the entering the post office, one can see differently type of work going on at a various window. Sale of stamp, money order form, etc. can be seen at one window. At another window, we can fill the form for sending a parcel and pay the fee required for it. At money for sending to friend and relatives are active. Question number 3. What others work take place in the post office? In work of expecting parcel, money order form and money to send to our relatives and friends. Work related to paying telephone and electricity bills is also done. Issuing of National Savings Certificate are invested in money. Question number 4. Where have you seen a telephone or a mobile? We have seen telephones on mobile in following places like telephone booths, schools, homes, hospitals and a various office. Which of the two do you like more, writing a letter or makes a phone call? Why? I like making a phone call more than writing a letter. This is because the post office deliver a letter to a person after 2 or 3 days. Whatever news can be exchanged instantly on the telephone and cell phone. Next question. How does a letter reach our village and city and another village and city? The letter tag has been put on the post box is taken to the post office by a postman. The letters are separated according to district and zillas at the post office. From there, a letters come our village or district by train or bus. Question number 7. Which facility do we obtain due to telephone and cell phone? We can talk to the person with the help of telephone, cell phones. It can be used at any time and at any place on the move. We are here the other person's help of telephones and cell phones. We can ever send messages through a cell phone. Now, question number 8. Post office, the place Junavas Nakhatrana, postmaster name Kinjal Bhai P. Solanki. Then postman's name Nagri Bhai Chawda, pin code number 370615. 9. We wrote a letter. We also made a phone call. What are the similar and different between a letter and phone call? The similarity. Telephones and letters both are used for sending receiving messages. And difference, we can hear the other person's voice on the telephone and which we cannot in a letter. Now, both can be used in all places. In text day for our message to reach if sent via letter, and there are one can send message at the one with it. Now, question number 7. Recognize the things which can find post office and write their names. Underneath, the first this one what say postcard, this one Iceland letter, and this one envelope. And this one postage stamp, this one renew stamp, and this one gold coin or biscuit. Question number 8. Write your full address on the postcard given. तो अहमदाबाद गीतराजगढ़ रेसिडेंसी वसंतपुर अहमदाबाद 380052. Now here question number 9. What say that given below the journey of a letter, show the pictures and pictures are not the sequence. And this one to square the putting name. So first one we what do? A letter write. Then we this one take the post box, and then this one postman here the letter take, and now this one 4 here put the stamp. Now this one courier or otherwise bus or train. Then here this one district or zilla here madams to stamp doing, and then postman it is your house or post this one, and then here question 8 and we get these letters. Now question number 10. Make the pairs appreciate. The first accidental method of sending letters, that means B. And post box that means which one? This one D. Now fax machine that means which one? This one picture A. And cell phone that means which one? Answer E. And telephone that means answer C. Here all question answer right. Then question number 11. Match the column A and B. The first envelope that means which one? Answer C. Then second one inland letter that means answer D. This one. Then C. Postcard that means A. This one. And then email that means their computer through sending or messaging someone others man of this email. So now here chapter number 17 journey of a letter completed.